Hi, I'm Paula Girode. I'm here at Blue Egg Entertainment. And as big promoters of the arts, we would like to let you know about all the fun and fabulous things that are happening around the city. And there's tons of stuff around Vancouver and a lot of stuff not a lot of people hear about. So this is the opportunity to let people know exactly what's going on. First thing that's happening tomorrow night, which is a Thursday, April 15th, there's a fundraiser for a local production company called Pinup Productions, which myself, Fiona Broom, Joel Stirrup, and Giovanna Huguet have created a 6-part web series. And we're raising funds for that, and we're really excited about this project. So, at the Anza Club tomorrow night, we're going to be having cheap beers, lots of entertainment running from 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock. We have a couple musical acts with Ashley Ball from Hey Ocean, which is a great band. A lot of people may have heard about it. Also, Chris Kelly from the band Analog Bell Service is going to be performing. We're very, very happy to have them. Also, myself, Fiona Broom, Joel Stirrup, and Giovanna Huguet are going to be performing some dance performances, sexy, sassy, fun little dance routines for everyone. And there's going to be a retro DJ that's going to be playing as well all night long, spinning tunes. And it's also a 50s theme, so best to come in your greatest 50s outfit that you can make up. And also, there's a prize if you wear the best costume. It's not mandatory, but you should, because theme parties are fun. And it's going to be so much fun, and you get to dance the night away. And I hope everyone comes, so I hope to see you there. And I'm going to keep you updated on the rest of the stuff that's happening around the city.